What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video, it's gonna be kind of not really quick, but it's a little bit out of the abnormal of what I usually do with like vehicles and stuff. So I got these mowers yesterday. I sold a mower. If you've seen my short video, you know what I'm talking about. uh, and I kind of screwed up the one. It's not it's a Craftsman mower, but it's not a Murray. So I wanted to reinstate that. It's not a Murray. I just what the lady told me, and it was covered with debris, and so you couldn't really see what it was. But both of these engines are Bridges Stratton motors. So the one I'll show you guys. So yeah, as you can see, this pull string, it retracts, but it's something inside the mechanism there. So it has the Bridges Stratton tag on it and the warning label and everything. And where this is Craftsman, Bridges Stratton's made with 90% of different things. So the warning labels and everything would be right here. So I know it's a Bridges Stratton motor just because it's got the same air filter, it's the same carburetor design, slightly different. This one has the primer ball. The other one, the newer one, has the does not have a primer ball. So I could probably switch carbs on it or whatever. But what I am going to do right now, and that's why I'm filming, is I'm going to remove this section here and put it on the other motor, because I wonder if it's something to do with the pulley inside, not the pull string pulley, but the where the clips come out of the pulley go into the attachment for the flywheel. I wonder if it's something to do with that. Maybe it's just not lining up properly, because it won't retract. It works, functions just fine as soon as you pull it out. Like, it goes back to the way it's supposed to. I don't know, so I'm going to take a look, see if that is the issue. I already had that other one apart, so at this one apart, and it's fairly simple to tear apart. I just don't know if it's, like I said, inside there, the mechanism. That I wonder if I could just change that out and see if that helps. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna get you guys set up, and we're gonna do a time lapse. Ran into a problem and kind of overlooked it a little bit, because where it is a different carburetor setup, so your placement is different here. And this motor, I know, fires up because it fired up. It's just where it was, you see where it's caught in there. So I wonder if this is different, but it looks the same on the other one. I'm sure if I were to switch them out, it'd do the same thing. So I might have to take in a spin freely. It's just that mechanism here. I'll show you here. So here the cutout is different. So as you see here, I wasn't aiming the camera accordingly to where I was talking about, but apparently the both of the caps are different. They're not the same. Cutouts are different on them, so they would not sit on there properly. And I was just kind of rambling on about how I could probably modify it, but there's no point in modifying it if I'm going to sell it. So that being said, hopefully we get this thing fired up. So like I said, it fires up, but other than that sticking inside here, I don't know if the clearance is off in this, or just this needs to be replaced. Let me try to switch these out real quick and see if it does anything different. I know I'm doing a lot of taking off and putting back on, but this thing was missing some hardware for the tank itself. It'd be a good parts motor. I mean, I could probably honestly switch these carbs out, but I don't have gaskets for them to do that. So that being said, let's switch these two pieces out and then throw that one piece back on. I wonder if it's something to do with that. It looks like they've been in here before. It's spray painted. They had it running and it's spray painted. I mean, you can see the paint residue. I don't know what they were trying to do. Maybe it's factory, but the other one doesn't look like that. Maybe it does. I don't know. Like, let me know what y'all think in the comments on that, because I'm no small engines guy. I'm barely just a regular backyard mechanic, but I'm just kind of curious if switching these out will change anything. So let's try that real quick. Nothing to help if I had the right socket on. Well, it's not good. Where that other bolt went to. There it is. Alright, 2 bolts. And I just dropped whatever that was. Oh, adapter piece, whatever the hell. Alright, let's figure this thing out. Why is it not? There we go. This is supported. It's missing a bolt for it. I'll have to go pick up one somewhere. Get creative and make your own. Yeah. So that's what it's doing. It's catching and it's binding it up. So let's pull this off one more time. I got an idea here. It might work, it might not. It might be stupid, it might. So I've only put 2 in there. Just light it. It's not late. It's like 10 o'clock on a Sunday. I don't have to work tomorrow or the next couple days. So I'm cool. Alright. We'll put all this stuff back together by the end of the night. See? See, I wonder if there's too much tension on it. I wonder if we pull this out. The problem is this thing's supposed to sit flush. I wonder if so let's get this put back on and see if that fixed our problem. I'm assuming that's what the issue is. Alright. Hopes, but you know. Maybe it did it again. No, I need to change oil on both of these, and I might have to get a new one of those for sure. So we'll put that one back together. This one I have to get a part for. It's this mechanism here. I'm going to swap the things back out, make sure the right ones are on it. I don't like swapping parts like that unless, you know, I know the motor's junk or something. Obviously some parts can be fixable, reusable on this, but the carb setup is different. Let's get this off, change the oil on this. This little piece where it idles so high, so that's literally the only thing. It just needs to be oiled up. So I think it's missing something. Hello. Alright, yeah, we're not even gonna hit the damn oil pan. It's a long shot. Damn it. You try to make things easier, it just makes it harder. Let's see what to do here. Well, we got a solution to our problem here. Just don't tell the wife I stole a bowl. If anybody wants to know what the size of this bolt is, a 3/8 ratchet. It's gonna be a lot more of a mess. I'm gonna make a big mess. All right. This thing will fill up quick. Yep. Oh, maybe not. Hopefully it doesn't. We're gonna set this down ever so slightly. And I'm sure I'll make a mess before the end of the night. Let's grab some rags. Drop it yet. So that thing is darker than coffee, darker than sin. Phew. Oh, it stinks. It's dark. It's dark. It definitely needs to be changed. That's why I was saying, guys, like, you just got to change your oil regular on these things, because, you know, they'll take good care of you if you do take good care of it. So I'm a firm believer of that. So this last little couple dribbles out. So this fresh oil, it's got a new spark plug in it, and then new air filter on it. It's fresh fuel in it. This thing will be good to go. I mean, straight out the rip. Ain't gonna have no issues with it. I have to fix that little piece of it's grinding a little bit on the flywheel, but other than that, it's set to go. So I'll have this thing done tomorrow, ready to be sold. It's very simple on these mowers. You just change the oil, do routine maintenance on it. It's like a car. You know, you service it. Now you're gonna have problems with it. You don't need it super tight, just tight enough. All right, let's get this little thing of oil here out of the way. Clean your oil off your thing too, so you don't want that in. Change here. Got the oil tapped off. So let's check the oil level. I might have added a little too much in here, but check her out, boys. No, you can see that, but we're right at the full mark. We're just right at it. I could use just a hair more, but she's good. She doesn't leak, so call that a win. All right. I'm gonna wrap it up for tonight. I'm gonna do this oil on this one, and I'm gonna clean up the garage a little bit. At least go in. It's getting late. I gotta edit this video and get it up tonight, so I got some work ahead of me. I'm gonna get in and clean up a little bit, and then in the morning we'll do another video on these, getting them fully operational and get going on. We'll figure a solution out for that pull string on this Troy belt. I'm sure it's something simple. Maybe it just needs a new one. The piece is getting caught up. I have to look at it again, and then we'll get some new filters for these. And I'm hoping to have them done, ready to go tomorrow. Maybe I can sell them back to the lady that gave them to me, but I don't know. We'll see. So as of that, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, or just in general, just kind of whatever floats your boat, I guess. I mean, just kind of all around channel deal, DIY stuff. So you don't have to have the best of the best to do everything. You don't have to have name brand tools. I started with Stanley and Walmart brand. I mean, I think before Hyper Tough was Hyper Tough. So like I said, just keep at it, keep motivation, keep going. What your dreams are. Promise the outcome. I'm taking a big risk right now with me and my family, but at the end of the day, I know it's going to be worth it. I've had lots of people, give me motivation to just keep trucking along. So I got a lot of errands to run in the morning. It's going to be a late night for me to edit this video, get it uploaded tonight for you guys. So like I said, if you like what you see, comment down below. If you have any advice of what I could have done better, please tell me what I messed up on or what I should look at. If you are a small engines guy, please let me know. I would like to know a little bit more about these. I don't know nothing about that. I have no schooling, no background whatsoever. I just know just enough to try to get them going. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.